Hi guys, how are you? This is your chef Prakkash. Hope you all doing good. And today I am going to give you a yummy recipe for you all. This recipe everyone will like it, and it is very easy to make in our home. So please try this, and sure you like all this recipe. The recipe name is Berry Banana Smoothie. The recipe is now everyone will try in, and even now in star hotels and cafe restaurants this recipe is very famous nowadays. I will give you the recipe now. Please note it down. If you don't have to pen down, I will give it in the description box. Kindly check. Okay. 100 gram raspberry, 100 gram blackberry, 100 gram blueberry, and half banana. Chop the banana, remove the skin and chop the banana, and add all the berry in the mixer. Put 175 gram of sugar, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and put a pinch of cardamom powder. Mix it well, make it filter, and serve with any fried nuts at the top. If it is cashew nut or almond flakes, as you wish. It is a very yummy recipe. You can try it in your home. If you want to make it loose consistency, add a 75 gram of fresh milk if you want, but it is not in the recipe. Someone don't like thick consistency. If they want to be a loose consistency, add 75 ml of milk at the time of mixing these ingredients. Try this and give to your kids. Hope they will like it, because mixed berries, bananas have lots of vitamins, magnesium, everything available. So please try this recipe, and please update about your feedback through the comment box. I am eagerly waiting. Have a good day. God bless you all. Thank you.